Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look right here.
Only makes me stronger. One more reason to turn up on them. I go crazy. Lit.
To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain. For my transition shade, I'm going to be using Tan out of my box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. To deepen that up a little bit, I'm going to go into my Perfect 23 matte color eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here. I'm going back into my box of Crayons eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Brown to deepen that up even more. And now I'm going to take my foundation. This is the Maybelline SuperStay foundation in Natural Ivory, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. I'm going to do a half cut crease. I'm going to go back in with that Perfect 23 color eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this white shade and I'm going to set in the inner part of my eye. I'm going to go back into that brown shade, and I'm going to take this blending brush here. I'm going to blend that together. I'm going to go do my wing off camera, and I'll be right back. But to do my wing, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Intense Ink Eyeliner. Okay, so I did my wing. And now I'm going to take this gold glitter eyeliner, and I'm going to trace out where I cut my crease right there. I'm going back into my box of Crayons eyeshadow palette, and again I'm going to use Tan, and I'm going to run that on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to go into the shade of Brown. And now I'm going to go into the shade Black. And now I'm going to take this brush here and blend it out. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. Now for mascara, I'm going to be using my Maybelline The Rocket Volume Express Mascara. To highlight my inner corner of my brow bone, I'm going to be using my LA Colors Baby Pop Single Eyeshadow in the shade Nude Shimmer. For eyelashes, I'm going to be using these ones I got off of AliExpress. And for eyelash glue, I'm going to be using my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I'm going to do my base off camera and I'll be right back. So I finished my base and I did everything. I even did my lips. I was gonna save highlighter and lips to record, but I didn't. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, click that bell so you will be notified when I post a video, and follow me at all my social medias. I love you. Bye.
Yeah.